In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the accelerator pedal on this Chevy Sonic. After this job is done, you will have to perform a relearn procedure. If you have a scan tool, you can do it a lot faster, but if you don't, just drive the car and it will relearn it by itself. Let's get started. Reach up above the pedal, unplug the connector by pulling out on that tab and then pressing on this to remove the connector completely. Then there's a 10mm bolt holding this pedal on. Unthread it. With that unthreaded, you'll be able to pull the pedal away, and there it is. Take the new pedal assembly. It's going to have a hook at the top that needs to hook in up there, so make sure that actually happens. This is the main retaining point of the pedal. Very important that that's lined up and in position. There we go, that's seated perfectly. Now put the mounting bolt back as you hold the pedal so it doesn't fall down and unalign itself. With that partially threaded on, still hold the pedal so that it doesn't pop off. Get your ratchet or wrench, whatever you're using, and snug up the mounting bolt. That's bottomed out. This is threading into plastic. It's just a coarse threaded screw actually, so I'm gonna go 1/8 of a turn at most after it bottoms out. That's it right there. I don't want to strip that out, otherwise you'll run into problems. Last thing to do is to plug this back in, make sure that connector clicks, and lock it on. If you don't have a scan tool, just drive the vehicle. It will eventually relearn the throttle pedal, but if you have a scan tool that is bi-directional, you can hook this up and it will relearn it a lot faster.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.